Welcome to our channel. Recovering deleted photos on Android is possible if you act quickly. Follow this guide to restore your precious memories. Step 1. Open the Google Photos app on your Android device. Most Android phones automatically back up photos to Google Photos. Step 2. Tap on the library icon at the bottom of the screen to access additional options. Step 3. Select Trash or Bin from the library menu. This is where recently deleted photos are stored temporarily. Step 4. Browse through the deleted photos. Items in the trash are kept for 60 days before permanent deletion. Step 5. Select the photos you want to restore by tapping and holding on a photo, then tapping additional photos to select multiple items. Step 6. Tap the Restore button, usually located at the bottom of the screen. Step 7. Your selected photos will be restored to your Google Photos library and device gallery. Step 8. If photos aren't in Google Photos Trash, check your device's built-in gallery app, which may have its own recently deleted folder with recovery options. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.